For the love of hot summer evenings and even hotter food, I bring to you Chef Gordon Ramsay's hot chicken wings. If you want an easy peasy recipe to go with a glass of beer, make sure to watch the video till the end. For Gordon Ramsay's hot chicken wings, you would need chicken wings, hot sauce, canola oil, butter, smoked paprika, pepper and salt to go with it. Take the chicken wings in a bowl and season them with garlic powder, salt and smoked paprika. Heat some canola oil in a pan and toss the chicken wings into it. Let the wings cook from one side and then the other side. Add butter to the pan as the wings are sizzled in oil. You will see that the wings are releasing some juice. So all the flavors are evenly spread. These hot wings go best with the glass of beer. They will refresh your mind and restore energy to keep you in high spirit for the rest of the evening. Let me know in the comment section if the wings are hot enough for you.